Hi everybody, Eddie the Mouth. I actually was just filming and then Buster the Buck made an appearance, so I figured I'd get some video of Buster. Looks like all the garbage is back that I cleaned up. And yeah, I guess it's a vicious cycle. What's up, buddy? What's up, Buster? Glad to see you're doing okay. Aw, don't start with Buster. Leave him alone. Hey, don't pick on him. Don't pick on... Oh my God. Leave Buster alone. You move pretty good for a disabled deer, Buster. Aw. Hey, leave him alone. Don't mess with him. Come here. Come over here. Come on. Come over here. Leave him alone. He's already got enough problems. Oh. Getting a little bossy down there, huh? Well, that was pretty crazy. You are, and that's not Veronica either. I think that's Barbie, but you know, it's hard to tell from up here. Kind of looks like Barbie, but I don't know. But Barbie, I don't think it's Barbie because Barbie has a more barrel body. It's kind of hard to see up here. She's more like a barrel. She only travels usually with the one deer. So I'm not really sure who that doe is, but she's obviously the big doe running stuff. Just letting Buster know. Right? What's up, Buster? Well, sorry that she was beating on you a little bit there, buddy, but you know, women, what can I say? Well, if you guys like the content, like and subscribe.